Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, news, promotions, and offers. We have had a wonderful January and an amazing February. March is about to come to an end, and with that, the end of our $49 US deposit on our MSC Divina Emancipendence sailing. We still have 5 cabins available, and we know that you are busy thinking about what will I do for summer. No need to go to the same family members' homes. No need to spend too much time watching TV or walk in the malls. Why not get out and discover a few places? When was the last time you went to St. Martin? Did you see the amazing shopping and those French shoes? Ladies, really? Why would you not do something that is absolutely awe-inspiring? My last trip to St. Martin got my eyes rolling. I could not believe the quality shoes that were on offer for those prices. Those designs and styles I see nowhere else in the world. Ladies, St. Martin has to be on your list of places to go to this summer. Now, I personally found it very intriguing to be in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Love the history. Love the fact that there was so much old world charm right here in the Caribbean, so very close to us. So, when I stop and I reflect on the value of doing a cruise, going to several ports of call, learning about new destinations all in one trip, the value proposition is priceless. Just in case this particular summer sailing is either too close, vacation taken has already gone, we picked out the same itinerary departing in October. Now you do know that we have our couples retreat at Melia Braco happening for Heroes Weekend. Some persons are not couples, some couples are celebrating something such milestone-ish or iconic that they really want to leave our friendly shores. So of course, the 28th of October with our Friends for Life cruise is another viable option. And we will apply that $29 reduced deposit to that particular sailing. Now we have 2-3 days left in this month, and that is when this promotion comes to an end. It has run for a long time. There are persons who have taken advantage of it, but I really do not want anyone to miss out. Sometimes you might have the deposit, but you do not see how you will be able to make those payments to meet the deadline for either the Emancipendence or for the October sailing. We understand that, and we went ahead and we picked out another sailing that will leave in May of 2018, May 5 to 12. Now this is an iconic option because you will sail away on the MSC seaside. There are 4 ports of calls included in this particular sailing, and just to make it special, one of them includes Ocho Rios. You can go shop in Miami, take your stuff off the ship in Ocho Rios, and get back on reducing customs charges. Oops, I hope there's no customs officer listening to this one. But you have ways and means of ensuring that you get the best value for that hard-earned money. So MSC Seaside sails May 5th to 12th, departs Miami. We have some great rates on airfare to Miami, and actually we are not flying into Miami, we're flying into Fort Lauderdale because we've got better air, and we have a wonderful relationship that has been growing with the Holiday Inn Express. They will pick us up at the airport, take us to our hotel. Included in that one price is a full buffet breakfast, and they will take us shopping. Value proposition, absolutely worth it. So don't be on the fence. Don't keep thinking about it. Take charge. And remember, if you add children to the sailing ages 11 to 0, they pay only the tax of $115 for the cruise. Guys, come on. We've got to make this happen. We've got to make this work. We're doing this for you because we know you deserve it. So, call us today, 527-4098. On our international number, it's 347-757-6728. Remember, at Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.